Okay, good morning, my beautiful Froothie. Froothie, some people call it. Just doing my AM celery juicing. I just want to show you this little machine on sale for under $300 at the moment. It's capable of it. So, gotta chop your celery up. We're catching and pouring. It doesn't take that long. And if you're inspired by Anthony Williams, the medical medium, to have celery juice every day, every morning, to remove the heavy metal toxins, to remove inflammation, to just start to go in there and just pick up and heal some of those crazy bad toxins that we've been filling ourselves up with practically unknowingly for most of our life. And I hear that we can even carry it through from generation to generation. Wow. Anyway, I respect myself, I love myself. I am a thriver, survivor from stage 2 breast cancer. I did have surgery 3 times to remove that breast in the end, and I'm sure that was devastating. But moving forward, it's brought so much gratitude into my life. I tell you, every day is magic. Every day is worth getting up in the morning and putting this little juicer baby on. I've only been doing celery now for about 33 days straight, and before that I love the Food Matters detox 7-day. They have a lovely 7-day vegetable juice detox, which I just completed probably about I don't know 7 weeks ago. But during my healing cancer, I pretty much listened to the Gerson therapy, was inspired by them. But I must say, I also follow my own intuition. But everyday juicing. Carrots, celery, beetroot, lots of greens, cucumber, ginger, turmeric. But at the moment, celery's my go. Now there's a whole celery through this little Froothie, and I haven't had to clean it once. You can see it's really working well. I want to try and get 160 ounces into my cup, which normally one celery does. By the way, I buy organic celery. I wash it, and there you go. Amazing! Get ready, buddy. Get ready, my beautiful body, because the healing is going to continue for the rest of my life. And it's so much fun. And a beautiful proteas growing out the front of my house. Just so grateful for everything. Also, with the bottoms of those celeries, I love to just pop them in some water, and they grow. Thanks, Froothie, for your amazing little machine.